Welcome. In this video, we're walking through how to enable text translation on Instagram Reels, a feature that lets you instantly understand captions and text from videos in any language. If you've ever come across a reel that looked interesting, but the text wasn't in your language, this setting will completely change your experience. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and that the app is updated to the latest version. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look up at the top right corner and tap the menu icon that's the three lines stacked on top of each other. This menu opens up a list of options to help you manage your account and app settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Language and Translations. This is where all the magic happens. Inside this section, you'll find the settings that control how Instagram handles text in different languages, including captions and text that appear on Reels. Once you're inside, look for the option that says Translate Text on Reels. You'll see a simple toggle switch next to it. Go ahead and turn it on. When that switch turns blue or shows as active, translation is now enabled. From now on, whenever you watch Reels with text in another language, Instagram will automatically show you a translation right on the screen. No more copy pasting into a translation app or guessing what the text means. It's quick, seamless, and built right into the app. If you ever want to turn it off, just come back to the same menu and toggle the switch again. That's it, simple and intuitive. So there you have it, a quick update on how to enable text translation on Instagram Reels. With this feature turned on, you can explore, connect, and enjoy content from creators all over the world without language getting in the way. Thanks for watching.